Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad you can join me today. I'm still reading my Somerset Magazine, and I'm reading it because I love a good tag. And if you watch my channel, you know how much I love a good tag. So this has 100 plus unique takes on tags. And one of the takes that I really enjoyed, I thought I marked myself to it, but I guess I didn't, is this one. Here we are. The large and small of it. And so when I look at this, I go, okay, the large and small of it. I've read the article. She makes a large tag and a small tag, and she does all the same techniques on it, but they're just slightly different. And so here's some more examples of what she did. So I said, let me try this. I love a tag. I love something different. Let's try it. And she said, this is her thing about her tags. She said, to me, the tag represented the warm feelings of a mother and a child, always alike, but so different in many ways. And that's true. That's true. If you have a child, a daughter, she's like you, but she's not. She has her own uniqueness to her. So these are my tags that I attempted with that technique. So what I did was, I played with my distress oxides, did a little of that in the back, little distress oxides in the back. So I wanted to use a whole bunch of different techniques that I haven't used before. I did a little stamping. You can see the lady here with her eye, one over there with her eye. Added some netting here. I took the netting and dyed it the blue that I wanted using the distress oxide. So I played with that a little bit. Did a little collaging in there. Added some flowers, different hues of blue. Added some butterflies, some gauze ribbon on both. Decided that what this means to me is that we are all capable of so much more than we think. That once we start doing our crafting and we start feeling it, it just becomes something else. And we're capable of doing just so much when we start our crafting. So these two are alike but not. So I think I got the assignment on that. So I thought I'd try another one. And on this one, I thought I'd use yellow. So I used, you see a little, I hope you can see a little shimmer in there. There's a little mica spray in there. And I had these little stamp type things, and that has little fairies on it. So I wanted to take a take on woodland or something like that with these, something different. You notice that each one has a bird at the top up there. There's a bird up there. I used the gauzy fabric again for the tie. Cut out some leaves and fawn or ferna or whatever you call that. Add a little mushroom, a little thing to draw your eye. Not much, not a lot of texture on here. The only texture comes from the look of the mushrooms, which I offset it here. I love a good tag. I'm telling you, I'll send a person a birthday tag in a minute before I do anything. So I kind of wanted to play just one tag with you while I'm here. So I did some little bit of a whitewash, a little bit of a wash with some what do you call it, watercolors. So I did a little watercoloring on there. And you know what I'm in love with right now? I'm in love with rub-ons. I'm telling you, you get a good rub-on. The Dollar Tree got me all stuck on doing the rub-ons because I just love the way they turn out when you're doing it, and it adds a bit of something that's different. Like if you want a tag, you don't want a lot of dimension to it, and you just kind of want to sit and feel relaxed. And I like to do tags that way because it's a small project, and I'm doing it, and I'm making something really nice, but I'm also being a bit creative with it. Oh, this one didn't come up so good. Sometimes you gotta rub them a little bit, See, that's the thing about a good tag. You gotta get with this So I love these things. But you know, because I'm doing it live, it's not going to come out the way I want it. I'm sure of it. I'm sure of it. I'm sure it's going to give me some difficulties. Let me pull it up and see what I got. But I do love these. These ones, this is from, because look at that. That looks like I actually spilled a little ink on it and just kept it going that way. These are from 49 in Market. So if you ever have a chance, I love 49 in Market. If you ever get a chance to go and, you know, buy a little bit of 49 in Market, their stuff's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous, 49 in Market. So I just want to play with it just a little bit because I'm going to use this one I'm reading a book at the moment and I need a good bookmark. And I want to have this one for my bookmark. So I'm just playing with it a little bit. Not a lot. So when you make your tags, you don't have to make them so dimensional if you don't want to. But there's nothing more satisfying than making a beautiful tag. That's what I feel. Nothing more satisfying than a beautiful tag. And you don't have to do a lot. I'm telling you. Just get out your rub-ons and rub them on, get it going, rub it on there, and you'll have a beautiful tag with your whitewash background and whatever rub-ons you have that you want to add to your tag. Let's see if this one comes off good, because sometimes it needs a little bit more rubbing, a little bit more rubbing, a little bit more of a vigorous rub to get it to transfer. Usually I don't have to do all this, but because I'm on camera and I'm trying to do one, it's gonna give me a little bit of trouble. Now look at that. Look at that. Simple, simplicity, yet beautiful. Yet beautiful. I love it. I think I'm gonna put one more up there to give me some balance. Give me a little balance. Give me a little balance. That's all I need is a little balance on here. So I'm gonna put that on there. Just to give me a little balance so you can see that you don't have to do a whole bunch. Just get out what you have. Start working it. Just start working. And you know who else has some really fantastic rub-ons? The Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree rub-ons. So if you ever get the chance to get your hands on some Dollar Tree rub-ons, and I did a project that I will show you in another video with Dollar Tree rub-ons, which came out really fantastic. Let's see, there it goes. Look at that. Look at that butterfly that's right there. Now, can you tell me that's not just gorgeous? That is just gorgeous right there. I'm loving that. Loving it. And I don't got to do a whole bunch to make myself a beautiful tag that I can give to a friend. Tell me what you think about that. And tell me, have you used rub-ons yourself in some of your work that you've done, and some of the things that you've done? But I'm telling you, if you just want to sit down for a little afternoon crafting, do a tag. See? Do a tag. Some simple words. Embrace simplicity right there. Got that going on. And that's my tag. I got to go and find some ribbon and put in there, but that's my tag. Tell me what you think about the tags. This is just a simple tag. Really beautiful, I think, with the whitewashing, with the watercolor wash. And here's my other two. Oop. Tell me what you think. Also, if you're not subscribed, press that button and subscribe so you can see what else I do. I got a whole bunch of stuff I'm working on, back in the swing of things. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful Sunday and be the reason somebody smiles. Bye now.